Doing anything for the first time can be kind of scary, no matter what your age. And wow, did we jump right into the deep end. From buying an RV to living in it full-time, this was a whole new world for us. We've never owned an RV before, never towed a 25-foot trailer, never navigated gas stations with something this big. And yet, here we go. Our plan? Live in it for months. Comfort, space, and a budget. Is that too much to ask? Let's skip the 6 weeks it took to get it road ready. Just know it took tools, time, and more dollars than expected. Thank goodness for our amazing family and friends who helped us focus on safety and ease, like adding automatic levelers. No way Bill's cranking that every night. The classic rookie mistake, we packed stuff we didn't need and forgot things we really do need. Luckily, we have Walmart and dollar stores on speed dial. Our first drive began from St. Augustine around noon, later than planned. Our departure checklist took longer than expected. We hit I-95 heading north toward Savannah. Just a few miles in, we realized those sway bars needed tightening. Every time a semi passed, I had to grip the wheel like I was racing at Daytona to keep us from fishtailing. By 2:30, we were starving. I'd packed sandwiches, but there was no safe place to stop until we found an empty outlet mall parking lot. We pulled into the shade, set up our chairs, and had a picnic until the ants chased us off. We joined Good Sam's Club before we left, and that giant campground directory came in handy. Our first campground was easy to find, and even though it started raining during setup, I was able to finish up just in time for a glass of wine. Our first real dinner, pork chops, onions, and green peppers cooked on our electric skillet outside. Add a salad, some wine, and it was one of the simplest, best meals we've had. When we got back from sightseeing, we met our neighbors, Bill and Deb from Wisconsin. Great people, experienced RVers, friendly as can be. That night we were sitting under their awning swapping stories over beer and wine. And the next morning, Bill even helped us with our first dump station experience. After just a few days on the road, I already had a to-do list for RV improvements, and I had a backlog of computer work to tackle. But we were learning, and more importantly, we were having fun doing it. We're headed to friends just north of Atlanta for the 4th of July, but before that, we're spending 3 nights outside Macon. We've got a special treat planned for Forsyth. Stay tuned. We'll share that soon. We jumped into RV life without a safety net, but with a sense of adventure and a lot of humor. We're learning every day, and while it's not always easy, it's definitely worth it. If this is your first time following along, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and join us for the ride. Leave us a comment. Tell us about your first road trip or RV experience. We'd love to hear from you. See you down the road.